We are visiting Donna in the hospital, Sentara, Norfolk General.
Don't be in bad.
No, she's not. And this is the view overlooking Norfolk. And I don't know if you guys can see down here, but there is the Sentara Nightingale. Now, is that the only helicopter they have here?
No.
Yeah, I knew they had another one, but I think it's over by the CHKD.
But they had to.
Yeah. You can see the other pad right there.
That's the West Norfolk Bridge over there, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. I've never seen those big yellow things before.
They're probably working.
Take a look.
Yeah. See the big yellow? I guess they're cranes. I don't know what they are. I've never seen those.
It's really pretty. There's the first helipad and the one right behind it.
See the boat out there?
And you can see the cranes. That's looking over towards Portsmouth. And in the background there is the West Norfolk Bridge. There we have Fort Norfolk Plaza.
Oh, really?
And that building, I believe, is a bank. A very nice hospital. Right here you can get a little better view of the Nightingale.
So we got crazy. She stays well.
Yes.
I don't think she's gonna be able to hold on to Target and do this too.
Yeah.
So what do you think, Mary? Nice hospital, right?
Yeah.
That is cool. What a view out here on the water. It's beautiful. That is so nice. So that's, I've never even noticed it before. It looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
See, down here, this is the administrative area for the Nightingale. So just some awards that they've won. Got Nightingale Big Dog
So is this the newer?
Award.
Yeah, and then he was down.
One of the old helmets that they wear. And here's a little model of what the full-size one would look like. I believe this is the older one, though. They replaced it a couple of years ago.
That was the oldest that you were in. Yeah, I wasn't as nice as
And guess what? We're going to ride the elevator. These are Otis traction elevators. Hospital sized. We'll go down to 1. Ooh, very bouncy. We'll go back up to 7. And we'll get our cab view. It's a very basic hospital-size elevator. Got stainless steel walls, and it has been updated. You can see that that's where the original indicator used to be, and very loud. And we'll go back to 5. Door closed does not work. That's it.